Hello friends! Today, I will explore a unique property of gas called the Charles Law by using a fun and interactive scientific experiment involving ice, hot water, and balloons. So, without further ado, let us start! So obviously, for every experiment that you do, you need safety equipment, which is why I have taken the time to wear gloves, safety goggles, and a hard hat. So, what are these safety equipment for? First of all, the hard hat is in order to protect your head from falling debris. You know, chemistry involves a lot of explosions of gases, so it might blow up, throw debris in your face. So to protect your head, you need a hard hat. And of course, obviously, you also need goggles to prevent debris from hot water from splashing on your face and your eyes. And finally, gloves. Basic. This is obviously to prevent germs and bacteria from making contact. So, for the actual experiment itself, you will need a balloon stuck onto an empty bottle, a tub containing at least 500 milliliters of hot water, and another one containing at least 500 milliliters of cold water. So now, let's start. Basically, all we have to do is to dip the balloon with the empty bottle onto the hot water and then onto the cold water. And we will observe what happens in each scenario. But before we demonstrate that, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated on every video in the scientific channel. So now, we will put the bottle inside the hot water. Watch what happens. Now we will put it inside the tub of cold water. So, did you see what happened when we put the bottle with the balloon inside the tub of hot water and cold water? That's right! For hot water, the balloon grew bigger in size, whilst for the cold water, it grew smaller in size. This is a fundamental principle of how Charles's Law works. Charles's Law basically states that gases, the volume of gases or the space that gases occupy is directly proportional to its temperature. Now, what does this mean, kids? It means that gases grow bigger when they're exposed to hotter temperatures, and they grow smaller when they're exposed to colder temperatures. This is why the air in our balloon inflated, causing the balloon to grow bigger when we put it inside a tub of hot water. And the opposite happened when we put it inside the cold water. Now you might be thinking, what are some real-life applications of the Charles's Law other than balloons being put in tubs of hot and cold waters? Well, you see, another great example of Charles's Law is during baking. When you bake bread, you may see that when you put the bread inside the oven, it grows bigger and fluffier in size as the temperature gets hotter. This is because the particles inside the bread expand because of the increased temperature. Another fundamental example is the tires of the car, your mom's car. You may notice in winter that the tires of mom's car is slightly smaller in size, but during summer, it is actually way bigger in size, and it may actually have a great chance of bursting. So, that's all for our fun experiment today, kids! I hope you have learned something important today about the fundamental properties of gases. We'll see you again next video. This is the Scientific Channel, signing off!